So what's up, guys? It's me here today. I'm doing a special video of my Black Ops sniper Beretta sniper rifle. So you may know what it is, some you may not know. Yeah. So got this off for Walmart for like $40. And the reason why I have it is because we're gonna shoot the Coke water with that sniper rifle. Yeah. So guys, I'm just gonna place down the camera like here. If y'all can't see it, please leave it down in the comment down below. I'm gonna take my rifle. Oh, this is not a pistol. This is not a airsoft gun. It's a pellet gun. So you can see the pellet right there. Yeah. So now load it for your entertainment. So we're gonna say that dummy is my brother, man. My brother. I'm gonna pop it up a little bit to get the good thing. Okay, there. Now we're gonna shoot this. All right. Here we go. Ready, set. Right. Oh. See, it's bleeding out right now. Just keep watching it bleed out for a couple of minutes. And just bleed out a whole bunch of water. At the end, when it's all done, I can show you the rest of the BBs, the bullet, the pellets I shot at. Oh, he's still alive, huh? Let me taste his own medicine. See how someone tastes my medicine? Let's see if it tastes his. I would never shoot myself with this pellet gun, guys. You know. Oh, Coda. Here. Oh, he's so baby. He's squirting off the water.